Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Active video. In today's video, I'm going to be trying to clean out my upper carb. I've got this repair kit here off eBay. I think it was 30 bucks. Some carb cleaner, Phillips head, some gloves, and some eye protection. Okay, let's get started. Here we have the carburetor. We already have the cover off. To get the cover off, I think it was just remove this hose here, and then some screws, which actually I don't know where I put mine. Anywho, we'll then need to get this off. So we've got two screws on the side here. You'll want to put a ton of downward force on those before you start trying to crack them. You don't want to strip those out. Take that out, clean that. Let's see. This is got the needle inside of it. Pull this up. Ooh, it's pretty dirty. In here, we gotta clean this up. We've gotta unscrew this as well. Remove that and clean all in there. We've got a few more pieces we need to remove though. So then we should also have a ring. Cool. So we got that plastic piece and an O-ring on there. Okay, and then we need to get this screw out. Oh, cool. Came out all in one piece. And then we should have a piece of what has been described as like paper or cardboard down there to remove that piece. Okay. Ooh, okay, got it. That is looking rough. Alright, so that is all of our pieces there. There's the carb, looking pretty gnarly. I'm gonna clean this up, clean all these up, not this, we have a replacement for this, clean up the rest, and then reinstall. We can go ahead and remove this piece. We have a replacement for that in the kit. Okay, I got all my parts soaking in some carb cleaner. I sprayed out the carb itself. It's looking pretty good, a lot better than before. Not sure yet how long I'm gonna let these soak, but so they look much better. Alright, that's been soaking for a little bit. I also periodically would take it out, wipe it down with my blue towel, and get it nice and shiny. Same for this one here. It's looking loads better. I might put this in for one more bath, swap it with that one, and then it'll be time for reassembly. Okay, so from our kit we are going to need these two, this, and then the O-ring for that, if I'm not mistaken, should be this one. But I'm going to take the other one off and make sure. 2 O-rings in this kit. One is a much thicker one. I think it is the thinner of the two, but I'm not positive. Okay, yeah, that just broke. Alright. Still be able to see the thickness. That looks like the thinner of the two, if I had to say. Put this O-ring on this plastic piece. And then this O-ring goes around this plastic. That's ready. Everything will go back in reverse order. So we'll put this piece down. Okay. And then this piece goes down in there. Okay. Next is going to be that large O-ring. That O-ring. The plastic piece with this little cutout goes over the screw. Okay, now we need to put our plastic piece back in this upper needle part. I don't know what to call that. On the side here, there's a notch on this. Should be able to put that in there. Should just fall down naturally. Yes, it does. Okay, next would be the spring on top. So, stick this on, compress it, we can twist a bit, twist a lot of it, I guess. Line those holes up. This spout faces out driver's side direction. Reattach our screws. Call it a day. Okay, it's good. Okay, reattach that hose. Hey, she's looking good. Is done. Upper carb complete. Let's turn the truck on. See if that made any difference in performance. And I must say, I'm pretty happy with my new key and lock cylinder. This one's working a lot better, a lot smoother. Alright, so I just finished a little test drive after cleaning the carb. I noticed the truck running slightly different, but not anything crazy. It seems like it's just a little bit more alive. And I did let the truck run for quite a while to exhaust everything out. But yeah, just pulled over. I'm curious how it'll crank, but I'll show you that. And then that'll be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.